You probably spend a lot of time on YouTube watching YouTube shorts who are gaining so much attention lately and are being liked by everyone. YouTube shorts are almost like the reels on Instagram or also the videos on TikTok too. So, why just spending time on YouTube and watching YouTube shorts when you can be a creator of these YouTube shorts and you can generate money from them? Yes, that's true. And the best for YouTube shorts is that they can go viral really fast. You just have to know the right niches that you can publish out there that you can grab the attention of the people and get the right views and make money from them. So guys, what you will have to do is just watch this video and learn for the best YouTube short niches out there and of course generate them money that you will need. Now before I jump into that information, first I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel but also turn on notification bell. Now guys, let's get to the point of this video about best YouTube short niches. Now before I show you the best YouTube short niches, first let me tell you where you can find the YouTube shorts because there might probably be people out there who don't really have the information. So first of all guys, the YouTube shorts are found on the youtube.com. You just have to go over to the shorts over here and you can have access to all of YouTube shorts. Now, as you can see here, you are going to find all of the information and all of the videos with different topics, different niches, and you probably don't have the idea which will make you go viral. You can stay all day long and watch the videos and still not understand which of these will make you gain more money or make you gain more views. So guys, I will help you out with this video to show you which are the best niches. Now, before I do that, I have a great news. YouTube is going to monetize YouTube Shorts. That is great news, right? Because you can start earning money. Of course, you have to accomplish some criteria required from YouTube to do that. So first of all, you have to join the YouTube Partner Program. And to become part of partner program, you have to accomplish some criteria. So the first criteria is to have 1,000 subscribers. So if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, it will be a little bit difficult to reach out to get the money from YouTube Shorts. And also you should have 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months and 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. So if you accomplish all of these criteria over here, then you can gain money from YouTube Shorts, which will start from the 1st February of 2023, very soon. So until then, you have time to open a YouTube channel if you haven't already and start posting YouTube Shorts. Now guys, let's jump to the main point of this video, which is the best YouTube short niches. So the first one is makeup and beauty. I've put this as the first one because I believe that this will never go old and never will and make everyone want to click on these types of videos, especially the girls who love the tutorials about makeup and beauty tips. Now, for this niche, you have to show up your face and you have to know some skills on beauty and you should know some tips on makeup and make some really good videos. You have to be as original as possible not to get videos from any other makeup artist because YouTube is going to give you the copyright claim and you won't be able to earn any money from YouTube. So please try to be original, try not to get the copyright strikes and to post the videos. Now don't worry because later on I'm going to show you some different YouTube short niches in which you don't have to show up your face, but in this one I would totally recommend to you to have some skills on makeup and to do this the videos by yourself. Now we have another niche, which is famous people's speech, and in this one you don't have to show up your face. In fact, let's take as an example this YouTube channel over here called Will to Act, and if we go to the shorts section, you are going to see famous people holding a speech. Now, these are motivational speech that everyone loves to hear about. Who doesn't want to hear a speech from a person who has succeeded in life and has reached out to do whatever he loves to do in this life? Like we have Ronaldo over here, who he's a famous football player, and he is doing what he loves. He is rich, he has uh, gained so many success, and he's very popular. Everyone loves it, everyone idolized Ronaldo. So hearing a speech from him can be very motivating for everyone. So try to find people who are famous and have reached out something in their life and everyone loves them, and you can just share one of their speeches and make your videos go viral. Viral challenges. Now this is really cool idea that you can do with your friends. Now, if you have a group of friends who love to do different challenges, you can film out those challenges and you can post them as YouTube shorts. You can get inspiration from TikTok too, because it has been held as one of the best platforms for different challenges. You just have to check out different videos of challenges that people have made, and you can recreate those videos with your friends, and you can check out that you can earn a lot of money with these videos. Travel niche. For travel niche, you can create videos about tips on where to travel during different seasons, or the best places to visit, or the cheap places in Europe, different advices. And while you create these videos, you can also make brand deals, which is not that hard to reach out a brand deal these days. And also you can share affiliate marketing links to promote different products which are related to traveling. For example, you can share camping equipments while you're making a video about spending a night in beautiful mountains to watch the stars. And you can give to people an advice to buy these camping equipments because they're really cheap, they're really good, and you can earn money not only from the views but also for promoting the equipments. Memes. Now we are the generation of memes already, as we know that. So creating memes, it's not that hard and everyone can do it. What you'll have to do is just find really funny videos of interviews or just movies or animes, and what you'll have to do is relate to them with your everyday life, and people find that really funny and they relate it to themselves. And of course you can get a lot of views just by posting those type of videos. Celebrity news. Who doesn't love gossip, as especially if it is drama? So you can gossip about famous people, famous TikTokers, different videos. You can just post random videos, random shorts for a moment that a celebrity has been caught by photographers, and you can post that video and you're going to get viral really fast. Highlights. Now, if you have a favorite YouTube channel like PewDiePie or David Dobrik or any other YouTube channel like Mr. Beast that exists out there, you can catch the best moments of their videos and you can post them as highlights and you can make a lot of money. Right now, what I'm loving the best highlights is the FIFA highlights of the best matches in World Cup that are getting so many views. Facts. Interesting facts never go old-fashioned. Everyone loves to hear some interesting facts that they have never heard before about universe, about galaxy, about countries, cultures, or human body, whatever that it's related with our life. Everyone wants to hear about what is something that they have never seen before, something unusual especially. Gaming. Now for this one, you have to be a gamer, a really good gamer, and to post videos when you play different games and try them out. Or you can just be a streamer, watch other people playing, and you can make comments, and for that you can generate a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like, and of course don't forget to subscribe.